Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by identifying the problem. Stuck pixels show a color, dead pixels stay black. Once done, power off the monitor for 5 to 10 seconds and restart to see if pixels reset. Next, open a full-screen solid color test. This reveals the exact subpixel behavior. Now apply a soft cloth and gentle pressure over the stuck area for a few seconds to redistribute liquid crystals. You do this carefully to avoid damaging the panel, because pressure can fix stuck pixels, but may harm the screen if excessive. You should now run a targeted pixel fixing animation that rapidly cycles colors at 60 to 120 Hz. This stimulates subpixels and often revives stuck ones. While the animation runs, apply gentle circular pressure with the cloth directly over the affected pixel for short bursts, then release. This mechanical action plus the electrical cycling increases the chances of recovery. Make sure the screen stays cool. Do not exceed about 40 degrees C because heat can worsen damage. If the animation isn't effective within 30 minutes, you wrap up by retesting with several solid colors and viewing from different angles to confirm whether the pixel responded. If the pixel remains dead, completely black, it's likely a hardware fault. Make sure to document its location with a photo and consult the manufacturer's warranty or a panel replacement service. Also, try swapping the video cable or input because sometimes signal problems mimic pixel failure. If swapping fixes it, you've avoided unnecessary repair. If all else fails, pursue repair or replacement under warranty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.